Hey guys, welcome to the show. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make chicken Manchurian. Firstly, we have chopped ginger and garlic. We have green chilies, diced onion with the layers separated. We also have some chicken fried in cornstarch and corn flour, just a dry rub with the cornstarch and corn flour. And we have some sweet chili Thai sauce. That's the closest thing you can get to a sweet chili garlic sauce. We're going to use that. And we have some tomato paste, some lemons over there. We also have some brown fried onions on the side there, just waiting for the ginger, garlic, and chilies. Once the chilies, garlic, and ginger are in, stir them around. You have to be very quick at this point. As soon as you see a tiny bit of color on the ginger, it's time to throw in your tomato paste. Throw in your tomato paste. I'm using that much. I don't know what that is. Maybe a tablespoon. And that's in. Once that's in, add your sauce. Once you've added your desired quantity of sauce, add thick soy sauce, not too much. Now you need to add some vinegar. I'm using spice vinegar. As you can see, the emulsion is getting into a sauce stage. Now, we're going to add some water. Now only add a little bit of salt, because the soy sauce has salt in it. Use lots and lots of black pepper. Okay, so at this stage, add your diced onions. And a little bit of cornstarch mixed with water. Stir it in. Okay, so we have a saucy consistency. Get some chicken and put it in. Just turn off the stove and let it set for a little bit. Or don't let it set for a little bit. You can have it fresh. Sounds good. Alright. And there you have it. Canadian style chicken Manchurian. Serve on top of rice. And there you have it, guys. Canadian style chicken Manchurian done to perfection. Enjoy.